In this day and age, you cannot depend on getting a job in order to actually make money with whatever qualification you have, because firstly, there are no jobs to start off with. Secondly, even if you get that job, it is so hard for you to actually manage every single thing with just your earned income. So it is important that you actually start looking for ways that you can actually make money. And so we're going to be talking about how to make money with your human resources qualification. So I'll be sharing with you different ideas on how you can actually start making money with this qualification. Now let's jump straight into it. Now before we move on, please do let me know what qualification you have so I can actually share that as the next video on this topic. The first business idea that I have for you is resume writing or CV writing. Okay, so you're going to actually be creating CVs for people because of the fact that you have a human resource degree or diploma. You know what businesses are actually looking for when they are looking for employees. You know what standards they have for their employees. So you can actually write CVs for people so that they can actually get that job. Number two, you can actually offer interview coaching. So you're going to be working with people that are looking for a specific job, and you're going to be teaching them how to answer specific questions so that they can get that job. You will have to choose who exactly you want to work with because you cannot work with everyone. So it makes it so much easier for you to target people the right way. Business idea number three is career coaching. Now with career coaching, you need to understand that there has to be some level up that you did in your career that you're going to be teaching people, or else you need to have secured a job that people, or rather that is attractive to people, so they can actually coach them on how to do the same. So you can choose whether you're going to be working with other human resource managers, people who are trying to get to the position that you are in. You can actually coach them on how exactly you did that, or else you're going to be helping someone get to maybe an executive position. You are going to be targeting someone that has the money to do this. Do not target someone who is trying to start off with actually getting a job, because it might not be the best person for you to be working with. Work with someone who's trying to get into a better position. Work with someone who's trying to get promoted into a better position, or is applying for jobs that are at a different level from where they are right now. So you're going to be actually coaching them on what steps they need to take in order to be able to secure that job, because you have the experience doing so, or you have the knowledge on what exactly it is that people, that companies are actually looking for that will get them into that position. Business idea number four is a recruitment business. Now what is a recruitment business? You are the one that is the middleman between the company that needs employees and the people who are unemployed and are looking for a company to be employed by. So you actually take on people that match with what the company is actually looking for, and you make money from that. You'll be working with the company in order to find employees. You'll be working with the employees in order to find companies and so on. But it is up to you how exactly you're actually going to be going about this type of business. The last business idea that I have for you is an HR training and development program. So in this case, you're actually going to be training employees of a company or in the HR department. You're going to be training them on what standards they're supposed to have and so on, so that the company can actually employ the right people for the job. So you are going to be working with companies, not specifically the employees themselves, because the training programs will be hosted in the company for their employees. Make sure that you're targeting people who have the power to actually make decisions on these training programs and so on. You don't want the instance where you are speaking to people who cannot actually make that decision, who cannot actually, decide how this is going to go. So speak to the right people, target the right people, make sure that you're explaining how exactly this company is going to actually benefit from having you come into the company and train their HR managers or HR department as a whole. I hope this video helps you with some ideas on how you can actually start making money online. Please understand something. Whether you are just a recent graduate or you're someone who's been working, these are still very good ideas that you can actually take on. So all I'm saying is maybe try out something that I've suggested for you and see how that goes. If it's not something that you like, you can always switch to something else, but get started with something. You cannot depend on the job. Neither can you depend on the salary that you get as your only source of income. You need to look for other ways to actually make money. Diversify your income streams so that you can actually live your life, live your dream life, and afford to do every single thing that you want to do. So I hope this helps you. Make sure to like and to subscribe. And the next video that I'll suggest that you actually go and watch is on 5 high income skills that you can actually learn so that you can actually start making money. There are ideas on online courses that you can actually take on and business ideas for each skill that I'll be sharing with you. So make sure that you check that out right after this one. But I will see you there.